Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the English class of class 10 standard. Today's topic is the black aeroplane. Today is 11th of August 2021. Presented by me. You can see my profile from here. This is the black aeroplane that you can see. A pilot is already flying from Paris to London. You can see this pilot who is the narrator of the story. You know this, the pilot was in the deep crisis. He had entered into the dark cloud which is in front of him, and it's like a cloud mountain. So it was impossible for him to go out from this cloud. The compass of this flight was not working properly, and he was trying to escape from here as soon as possible. He planned that he must return to Paris because the fuel of this flight was coming to end. Suddenly, the black aeroplane appeared in front of his eye, and the pilot from the black aeroplane told him to follow the black aeroplane. The narrator of the story started to follow the black aeroplane because there was no one to help him from his crisis. What happened then? You all know, we have discussed in the class. He successfully got the runway for his landing. He landed on the air station, and then he went to the ground station attendant. The lady told there was no black aeroplane when the narrator of the story wanted to give thanks to the black aeroplane pilot. But there was no black aeroplane. The lady attendant told him there was only one plane was in that area. Next. So before introducing the lesson, I told you the story. You can read this point from here. First point is the story Black Aeroplane is about a pilot who feels happy and contented to fly over a city that is sleeping at night time. Second point is his flights from Paris to London. Third point, he also fantasizes about the scrumptious breakfast that he would have been upon landing. Unfortunately, fourth point, he faced a huge black cloud-like mountain. Next point, the campus was working properly and the fuel was getting empty. Next point, the narrator was planning to turn back to Paris. Next point, suddenly a black aeroplane appeared in his vision and he was asked to follow that by the pilot. Next point, the narrator was following it. After some time, he touched the runway. Being happy, the narrator wished to thank the pilot. But there was no black aeroplane landed there. Even there was no plane in the sky. So, in the next slide, we will see these are the important points that you remember. From here, we can have MCQ also. So, these points are important for MCQs also. You can do MCQ from these points also, or question may come from the these points for MCQ, right? Yeah. So, in the next slide, we will see the chapter highlights. So, what are the highlights thing that we can see from this chapter? The first point, there was a clear sky, shining star, and the narrator was about to meet his family at breakfast. So, it was the night time. Night time. From the first point, we can say it is the night time. Second, we can say what is the time? What was the time? These questions can be asked for the MCQ, because some questions will come from MCQ. So, you can be asked that what is the time? The time is 1:30 AM. That is the time of that story. That is the night. So, time is night, and somewhere you can see it's morning, because 1:30 after 12 it comes as morning. So, this is your time, it can be asked. Then, from where the plane is going to where? So, the plane is going from Paris to London. So, here instructed Paris control, you can see it's Paris control, that means the plane has started from the Paris. Second thing, from this slide it can be asked that about how much kilometer it was away from Paris. It was 150 kilometers from the Paris. So, this can be also a question. That is the okay. So, the distance is 150 kilometers, right? Fine. Moving to the next. The next slide that you can see, due to his willingness to see the family, the narrator took his risky decision, because I told you it was not so possible to enter into the cloud and to come out from the cloud. So, it was the risky decision. So, this type of decisions are very risky for the life also, because at any time there can be danger also. So, therefore, it is the risky decision. It was the risky decision. Next thing is that all instruments of the plane stopped working. This is very important. So, what was the instrument? Instruments like compass. Okay. Compass. That is, you have see, that is north, south, east, west. Basically, it is to define the sides of that thing. For in which direction he is going to north, is east, or south, or west. In which direction he is or she is going. That is the working of the compass. So, you can be asked for your MCQ that what is here used for the instrument in the plane. So, your answer will be compass. Next point is, a black aeroplane appeared in the narrator's eye. It's very important. Black aeroplane. Remember, the color black is very important here. We have already discussed about it. What is the black aeroplane appeared, what it did, everything we discussed. Now, this black aeroplane, the black aeroplane is mysterious. Black means mystery. Black means mystery. Okay, you already know who are the magicians. Okay, see, these magicians also use black dress, black color, etc. Magicians also do the black. So why they use the black? Because black is the symbol of mystery. Black is the color of sudden, which is not similar to us. Black is the color of, you can also say, suspense. Okay, suspense. So all these things goes with the black color. So very importantly, if someone comes in front of us and she or he is wearing complete a black dress, that it is quite hard or quite uneasy to recognize that person. So it is a black aeroplane. That means the person is mysterious, the black plane is mysterious, and everything is mysterious. And it happened. The black aeroplane vanished after some time. Okay, so it is something mysterious. So in this slide we can see the first point, without much fuel, that is, the fuel was not sufficient. The fuel was not insufficient. That is, without much fuel, flew and half hour landed safely. So the person landed safely. Next point, he went out the aeroplane to thank, because that pilot helped him very much during the crisis. So our narrator wanted to thank that black aeroplane pilot, but he got surprised not to find anyone in the aeroplane. So there was no one to whom he thanked. The narrator asked, the narrator asked the woman to control tower. I told you that from the ground there was air traffic control about the black aeroplane, but she laughed and replied in a negative such a plan. So there was no black aeroplane there. Next, it was miracle, no explanation was there. So I have already told you it was just a miracle. Coming to the next slide. So you can see from this picture how to be more powerful and optimistic. So you must be always hopeful, never give up. Okay, so you must be very optimistic in your life also, never give up. So you can see here is a beautiful sunshine day, that is plant is growing on, and here a person is holding his child to cross the rail line. So every time when there was something danger for us, we can overcome it. So this is your questions. You read these questions and tell me about your opinion, and we will discuss something if there is a confusion or query in your next class. Thank you.